Agarwal present.
Okay, beta, you don't need to give your attendance like this. Okay, all the teachers, we take the screenshot from the participant list. Okay, so don't worry, you don't every time when you join the class, you don't have to give your attendance like this. When you speak your attendance, so and so present, so and so present, not required. Okay. Do you all know when you say your attendance like this, you all look very cute. Matlab, sound very cute, not look very cute.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so we are doing exercise 10.3 and Ishika was asking, Ishika, no? Ishika, yes.
Yes,
Ishika
sir.
was asking me to explain question C again. Okay, no problem. I will just explain it again. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. Let's see if more are joining or not. Then we will start.
Good morning, sir. Adhiraj Sharma present.
Good morning, beta.
Sir,
Rasik
sir,
Tandon.
have we started?
I'm saying good morning, beta. Rasik Tandon present.
Sir, what you are doing, please tell again because there is a network problem.
We have not done anything till now in this period. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
just wait. Is it cold today? Or it's as usual?
Sir, you are wearing half, you are not wearing cold.
Yes, because I was doing some exercises. So I'm feeling a little hot right now.
Yes, sir. Sir, my father also do exercise and wear half.
Yes. Your father also does exercise, Adhiraj.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He's uh, is he a serviceman or a businessman?
Sir, he is a doctor serviceman.
Doctor. Okay. What is his name? May I ask? May I know the
Good
name?
morning.
Sir, his name is Dr. Dheeraj Sharma.
Okay. And MBBS doctor.
What,
He's
sir?
he's an MBBS doctor or a PhD doctor.
Sir, MBBS.
Okay. So where is the works in a hospital or in a private clinic?
Sir, he is making a private hospital also now, and he is in present he is working in a
Where?
hospital.
Which hospital?
Sir, Gangasheel. Sir,
Okay.
Gangasheel in Bareilly and Gangasheel in Pilibhit also.
Okay. Very good. Very nice.
He also have his own clinic.
Very good. Okay. So all of you, we are. Let me explain question C one more time. Yesterday when we did it, I think we were about to finish the class, so I was not able
Yes,
to
sir.
explain it properly. It needed some more time. Beta, yeah. So first part, this is 5.176. This is the number. We have to round off the number and write the answer in two decimal places. Okay, two decimal places. Now I'm writing the number here. In this number right now, how many decimal places are there?
3.
Three.
Sir, 3.
5.176. So I have to remove this digit. Am I right? Only one digit I have to remove. And I
Yes,
will get
sir.
the answer in 2 decimal places. But what is the problem here? 5.1, either I can write 5.170. I have two choices. 5.170 or 5.180. I have to choose one of the two.
5.180.
5.180.
The digit 6, the digit 6, it is greater than 5. Am I right? This digit is greater than 5.
Yes, sir.
I will choose
Greater
the second answer, not the first one. 5.180. So you write your answer as 5.18. Is the answer in two decimal places now?
Yes,
The
sir.
answer is
Yes, sir. Song is coming from someone.
better keep your mics off, everyone. Arav. What
Sir,
song?
now fine.
What
Sir,
song?
now it
was
is fine.
Which song was that? Leila mein Leila. Or
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ओहो
Sir, I think so.
कार्तिक खंडेलवाल को सारे गाने मालूम है अरे आरव बेटा माइक ऑफ so
Sir, I'm fond of listening songs, so I know the song.
no beta I am just joking everyone is fond of listening songs even I listen a lot of songs okay every day I listen songs so
Sir, in every break I listen song.
Ishika are you
Sir, I also.
have you understood this Ishika
Yes, sir.
very good and do you like pointing your pen to the camera Ishika okay so 5.18 is the answer
Yes, sir.
The second answer of E1 is 1.710.
1.71 second part the answer is 1.71
Sir, I can't understand till now this question.
who beta tell me your name
Sir, Vivan.
Vivan beta look at this look at the second part also 1.712 okay 1.712 is the number now you have to write your answer in two decimal places how many decimal places are there there are three hai. I have to write the answer in
Sir.
two decimal places that means I have to remove one digit from the last so 1.712 only one digit is extra one digit is extra am I right or not so
Yes,
in place
sir.
of this digit I am going to add a zero in place of the last digit I will add a 710 or the other option is 1.720 10 and 20 always you will do like this 10 and 20 so these are the two options but when you look at the digit 2 the digit that we are removing 2 this is less than 5 so we will
have done all.
choose the smaller answer not the
Yes,
greater.
sir.
We will choose the
Yeah.
small.
Sir,
Okay, sir, I understand.
Yeah, very good.
excuse me,
Sir,
sir.
is the answer of 11th one? Sir, is the answer of 11th one is 53.14?
Correct answer. Very good.
Yes, sir. I was also about to ask that.
Okay, so I'm doing the 11th one here. All of you, please pay attention. This one has 4 digits. 53.1367. So it has 4 digits. The number has 4 digits.
Yes, sir.
53.1367. How many extra digits are there?
2.
Four decimal places?
2.
Two digits are
Two.
extra. So I will write 2 zeros instead of these 2 digits. I will write 2 zeros.
And we will round off with 100.
53.1300
100.
and 53.1400 because there were two digits. Okay.
53.1400.
So the answer will be 53.140.
Correct.
1400.
So this digit 6, the first digit out of the two digits that we are removing, the first digit 6, it is greater than 5. So I will choose the greater answer, not the smaller one. It is greater than 5. So
Remove
53.14.
two
Yeah.
zeros.
Everyone understood? 53.14.
And
Yes.
yes, sir. 14. Yes, sir, understood. Is the answer of 12th one is 7.26.
Absolutely correct.
Yes.
I'm giving you an extra question, all of you.
So we
Yes,
have to
sir.
write in the notebook.
Famous Indian classic dancer
Notebook we have.
Karamjeet has sent me a
Sir,
PDF. Famous Indian classic dancers PDF. Karamjeet has sent me this PDF. Let me see
Excuse
what
me,
the
sir.
PDF is. Yes, beta.
Sir, I have done this whole.
Sir, I want to ask something.
Beta, Karamjeet, very nice PDF you have made.
Sir, I want to ask something.
It is a
Thank
PPT.
you, sir.
Yes, PPT file.
Sir,
Yes.
in 11th question, it is written 53.1367. So, sir, because there were two digit extra, so sir, we we take the sixth, sir, that one, second, third digit.
Yeah, we will see. We will remove both the digits, but we will decide the answer on the basis of the third digit, third decimal.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 6 को देख के
Excuse me,
decide.
sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, I was just checking which option is this.
Acha. Okay. Karamjeet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem, beta. You can send me more PDF, more PPT files. Nice PPT you have made.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I hope you will make some PPT
Karamjeet sir.
based on mathematics also.
Sir, can you understand me the D1? D
Explain
answer.
me. Not
Explain it.
understand. Which one? Question
D
D.
first.
Question
Yes.
D. Just wait. Let me ask you one or two extra questions based on this concept,
Okay,
rounding off the decimal numbers. Then we will start.
Okay,
questions.
sir.
One or two extra questions I'm giving you. Okay. So.
Sir, that extra question we need to copy in our notebooks.
No, in the book only you can write. You can call it as the 13th part of question C. Question C, 13th part, given by
Okay, sir.
your maths teacher, Rasik Tandon.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the question is 20.
Sir, we have to write this in their notebook.
Yeah. In your book, beta. You can write this in your book. This is the 13th part of question C. Extra question. In your book only you can write. 1, 3, 8, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 4. Round out to two decimal places. Round off the number and write the answer in two decimal places.
Sir, can I tell the answer I had done?
In fair notebooks. Sir, sir, can I tell the answer?
Sir, the answer is 26.14.
1, 4.
Sir, we have to do in our fair notebooks.
In the book. Do it in the book.
Sir, the answer of 11th one was 53.1400.
53.1400 or 53.14. Simply write 53.14.
Then how we will do in book? There is no space.
अरे बेटा थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लो ना यार.
Sir, I am writing on the next page. Question in the below question E. I have written C13 part and written the question and answer.
There is a lot of space on the next page also.
Sir, please see mine. I tasted it how I don't know, but I have written here the answer.
Karamjit, you have sent me so many files.
Sir, is it correct answer or not? Sir, please check.
My favorite subject. What is your favorite subject? Karamjit, just a minute, beta. Karamjit, what is your favorite subject?
Sir, I have done my answer. Can I show you?
Wait just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Arey, maths. Karamjit, maths is your favorite subject? Hindi, English,
Sir, mine also. Maths.
computer also.
Sir, mine also.
Mine also.
Sir, mine also.
Sir, mine maths is second favorite.
Second favorite.
Sir, but this happens when we go to the higher classes. Our favorite subject, maths, is
It becomes the least
decreasing
favorite.
our favorites.
It
Yes.
becomes least favorite. Why this
Yes.
happens? Why this happens in high
Because,
class?
sir, there are many
Sir, due
equations
to
and
difficult questions
Sir,
and
because
the-
because the ratio and composition
like maths from UKG.
Okay. And
Sir,
But I
because
hate maths
Sir,
when I don't know
it
the
becomes
answers
least
and the
favorite.
I see
answers
my
become
brother
wrong.
doing maths, sir. His beta.
so let me
Sir,
tell you.
Sir,
Yeah.
I hate maths
Sir.
when mine answers become wrong and I don't know anything.
It's okay.
Sir, the math becomes least favorite because, sir, in higher classes the chapters come like ratio and proposition and algebra, etc., etc.
So there are
Algebra
Sir,
and
will
algebra.
teach us in
done it.
sixth or not?
so
Sir,
there
I
are
see my brother doing math.
I
Sir,
get
he always tells Mama, I can't do this math. Mama, I can't do this math.
okay.
Sir,
So
Sir, you
Sir,
will teach us maths in sixth or
But,
not?
sir, my brother is the topper.
so let me give
Khandelwal.
you an example. All of you listen. This happens. So what I am able to understand that most of you are saying this, that because in higher classes you have difficult chapters and the
Something.
syllabus expands a little bit. So in your view,
Yes, sir.
some chapters are difficult. So that is why the students they start assuming that maths is a very difficult subject. So it becomes their least favorite subject. So this is only a
Yes, sir.
perception. Agar subject is, if the chapters are becoming difficult, you are also becoming very difficult. That means you are also
Sir, please teach us
Sir,
maths
but
in sixth also.
sorry, Rishika.
Sir, please teach us maths in sixth too.
I will be teaching you maths in sixth also.
क्या
And
पूछ
seventh
रहे
also
हो?
and eighth
Okay,
also.
sir.
Sir, teach maths in. Sir, you teach maths till 8th or till 10th?
I teach it till 12th.
Oh.
In my I have
Oh
my
my God.
total, there are students of 9th and 10th and 11th 12th. When I asked them, when they were also when they were in class 6th 7th 8th, when till class 7th 8th, they used to say that maths is very difficult, it is their least favorite subject. So they
Sir,
also
but how your all answers become correct?
and then when
By practicing it.
when they come in class 9th and 10th,
Because of my faithful mind.
many students in my coaching, they
Sir,
always say
do you
that
know
maths is their
with
favorite subject. So they always say like this. Class students of class 9, 10, 11, 12, they always say that my students, they always say that maths is their favorite subject. And they will
Sir,
always
if we
score highest marks. in
sir?
sir,
Sir,
you
do
already
you know
explained.
Vidushi and Prasoon.
Sir,
Yes,
I
yes.
sir, I will take TCM.
We'll take PCM. Very good. In 11th and 12th. Very good. Vidushi and Prasoon.
What
We
is,
are in
sir?
class 7. Vidushi and Prasoon. I am class teacher of
Sir,
Vidushi.
Yes, sir. Sir, she is my neighbor.
Okay.
Sir, Vidushi was in sir with us. Sir, how did she reach 7th?
Vidushi Gangwar.
Another Vidushi.
There is another.
Oh,
Okay. So this was an
sir,
example.
do you know Om
Have you all done
Saraswat?
it?
Om
Everyone?
Saraswat.
The answer is, let me tell you what the answer is. It is 26.14. All these
Sir.
digits are extra digits. ये सारी digits extra इन सबको हटा देंगे, एक देंगे उठा करके, and just see the first digit that you are removing, 8. Now this digit is greater than 8, तो इसके पहले वाले नंबर को क्या करेंगे? You will increase by 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Answer is 26.4. So this is another shortcut method of doing it. Okay. Remove all the digits.
Yes, sir.
पहला digit को देखो, it is 8. Is greater than 5. So answer will be 26.14. Clear? I'm giving you one more. Another question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
14. 14th part. 27, 29. Point 99721. 29.997216.
Sir, sir, the answer would be 29.10.
Write the answer in 2 decimal places.
Sir, written.
Okay. What is the answer?
Sir, 29.10.
Sir, my answer is coming 30.
30 is absolutely correct answer. Rishika, very good.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
1 minute. Let me try.
Yeah.
6. These are again. Sir, this is the extra question.
Yes.
Yes, sir, it would be 30.
Paper. Please, paper.
Sir, my answer is also coming.
There is an extra question.
Yes, sir. Sir, the answer is 30. Sir, my answer is 30. As we have to some board also means some
Also correct. Coming 30.
carry also we have to add.
Yeah. So what happens here? You remove all these digits and look at the first digit. It is 7,
Which is greater than 5.
which is greater than 5. So 29.99. Now when you add 1 in this digit, you add 1 in this digit, the last digit.
10.
So, sir, we 10. And so 1 in that digit, then also 10. And then 20.
30.00. It becomes 30.00. Okay. So
Yes,
answer
sir,
is
it was only my answer. I gave this answer first.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now you all have understood the topic. Rounding of.
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
Sir, I have sent you all that presentation.
All the presentations that you have made till now, you have sent me.
Sir, how to
send me also?
Sir, I am also sending. No, sir, I'll make a good one and I'll send.
You can send. So you send it.
Sir, which presentation we have to make? Sir, I forgot.
No, no
What?
presentation. You never. I never asked for any presentation. Students, they are just showing me what they have made in other subjects.
Okay, sir.
So what they are showing?
That Kerala one work PPT.
Oh, Karamjeet.
Okay.
Okay, Karamjeet, I was also.
Now let's do question D. All of you. Ready? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Very simple question. Question D. It is very simple.
Sir, I understood it.
Yeah. First one. 6.74. Do you know how
So we
to
have to do this in notebook.
Yes, it is to be done in the notebook. All of you, question D is to be done in the notebook, all the parts.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So do you all know how to add decimal numbers?
Yes, sir. We have to just do the
Yes, sir, I
normal
know.
addition.
One. Adding the two numbers, you get 59.42. 24.95.
Sir, now we have to round it.
Round off the number to one decimal place.
25.
So when you round it off, you get your answer equal to
25.
25.00, sorry, 25.0, or you can also say that it is equal to 25 simply. 25 is the answer.
Okay.
Okay. First,
Sir,
find
this
add the
First,
numbers.
we have to add and then we have to just round it.
Yes, exactly.
Sir, not only add, we have to subtract, multiply,
Yeah.
and divide
Yeah,
also.
depending on the question, whatever you have, first simplify and then round off. Simplify and then round off the answer.
Sir, I'm not able to understand this.
No problem.
Sir,
It is very simple.
we have done
Yes,
sir.
you understood. Second part,
Sir, can
We
you
have to
tell
do
me how to do fourth one?
fourth one, multiply the
Yes,
number.
sir. Sir, with another example. Sir, normal
Sorry.
multiplication.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
normal multiplication. So,
Is it
sir, it's easy. We'll do it ourselves.
It is easy, sir. It is easy, sir.
Sir, we have to do the multiplication of
Yeah.
decimal.
Yeah. Multiply decimal numbers. You have studied it in
Sir,
your
can
chapter
I
decimals.
tell the
Yes,
answer
sir,
of
we
fourth
have
one?
studied in decimals.
Third one, fourth one.
Multiply decimal numbers. You all know how to multiply decimal numbers in the fourth part. Multiply two decimal numbers and then round off the answer to one decimal.
Sir,
This one?
sir, I want to tell you something.
Yes.
Sir, where I go tuition, sir, there I learned maths from the 6th class math book. So sir, I have learned the board mass
What
of
now?
that.
Okay.
I read off
Bracket of
seven
the mass.
in Velicrum of bracket, Velicrum of bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. I learned algebra too.
Sir, me too.
Algebra is easy.
Very good.
We have to do it.
4.83 is the number. Answer. So you round off to one decimal place. So your answer will be. You get an answer of 4.8. 4.8 is the answer.
Copy your book.
In the copies. Do it in the copies. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir. Sir, the answer of second one will be 5.
Answer of second one, this one, 4.8.
Sir, but how?
You have to round off to one decimal place, only one decimal place. 4.8. Just remove
Yes,
the
sir.
last,
It is correct. 4.8.
remove the last digit. 3 को हटा दो. 3 is smaller than 5. That means 4.8 will be the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I forgot that how to round off the answer to one decimal place.
4.83. You want to round off the answer in one decimal place. Look at that last digit that you are removing. It is 3. So this digit is smaller than 5. So your answer will be 4.80. It lies between 4.80 and 4.90. Now, because it is smaller than 5, so 4.80 will be the answer, and you can just remove the decimal 0 also from the last. So 4.8 is your answer. Okay, Rishika.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, but my answer is coming 4.9.
Why, beta? This digit is less than 5. 3. What is your subtraction? After subtracting, what do you get?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, if the answer of third
sir,
one
if
is
the
20.7,
I will have to check it. Do all the questions first, and then finally we will check all the answers. Okay, I'm giving you some
sir,
time
if
to
the
do all
number, sir, if the number is 4.38, so if we'll round it off to 1, so what would be the answer?
4.4. If it is 4.38 and if you round it off, you get 4.4. Okay. Unnati, got it?
Yes, sir.
So do all the parts. I'm giving you some time to do all the parts.